In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can find WordPress username and password. First, go to your Cpanel and then log in. After that, go to the page My Admin. Now on the left panel, select your database and then go to WP option and then check your site URL. After that, on the left panel, go to WP user. Now click on edit, and this is our WP username, but you can't see your WP password. This is MD5 format password, so you can change the password or you can reset it. Type a new password and then on the left panel click on the option and then go to the bottom and select MD5 format. Now on the bottom just click on go, and that's it. So this is how you can find your WordPress username and password. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.